Hi, welcome back to Chem with Go. Today we're going to take a look at isotopes and its definition. What an isotope or isotopes are atoms from the same element. So they happen to share the same atomic number, or the same number of protons in their nuclei. The difference is that they have different numbers of neutrons within their nuclei. And for example, hydrogen has 3 different isotopes. And each isotope actually has its own sort of abundancy or percent sort of existence actually in the universe. And out of the 3 that you see right here for hydrogen, the last one happens to be the rarest of all of them. I don't know if you remember maybe watching the second installment of the Spider-Man series, Dr. Ock, and he was actually trying to isolate this, which is known as tritium, to create like that sun and sort of like an energy source and so on. But I always bring that up in class. But let's go back to isotopes. This is known as hydrogen 1. So hydrogen 1. And the notation usually is such that there's a dash and then the mass number is present right after the dash. And hydrogen 1 has 1 proton and 0 neutrons in the middle. This right here happens to be hydrogen 2. And has a special name also. It's called deuterium. It's found in heavy water. And heavy water is usually found at the bottom of the ocean or in nuclear facilities when the water is used sort of as a sponge to accept sort of loose neutrons hanging out. And then the last one is known as hydrogen 3. And is also known as tritium, and I kind of mentioned that reference to one of the Spider-Man movies earlier. Again, the definition of isotopes is that they have the same number of protons, or they have the same atomic number, but they have different numbers of neutrons, and therefore have different properties. All right, and that's it for today. We'll see you in class.